I also managed to camp here for 1 month without him saying it. I said, fine, since I'm a small boy, you are not going to say it. So all those days that he's been ranting, saying a whole lot of things, the girl is with me.
Ebusia Ibrah one abebie key bi pa efa oni Honorable Ken Agyapong ntokwa esi years back enyasem ketwa kra aha let's talk GH rumors. So and any first time I want popping into this video make sure say obe subscribe be said ebe ya me uploading new video bia onsa ebetimi aka na Ibrah one abrantie bia be 3-4 years back ni ehu se top posh cars very expensive cars no flaunt say social media ne so na enam so Emma yenim se na 2TV na Honorable Ken Agyapong eta host program bi or say or expose bad dealings community and society Ghana society nim asofo or say omu ye fake ene ade eno ena na o reveal honom na enam so Emma Ibrah one posti X now X formerly Twitter so didi na tema na enyasem ketwa enu ho bufo ma Honorable Ken Agyapong so attack Ibrah one say Ibrah one no kwa no or involved in money laundering or sakrampo ye scam ne ensem bebre no kan ye yenti Honorable Ken enu masem ni bi mra ba the details of the story ebeba besomo.
You are using stolen cars. Emma, we will come after you. The most serious thing I would do. You are using stolen cars. Emma, we will come after you. The most serious thing I would do. Or Forex Bureau.
Go. Ibrah.
Go. Forex Bureau.
17.
Go. Forex Bureau.
Yeah.
Ghana banks in
So this is Ibrah standing beside this
Bank of Ghana Bank of Ghana government is not here. Finance Minister TNA was I a small boy's account? Was I a small boy? Now when you fear a year or the other to Krasini. Wait, small boy, I will deal with them. When you or Forex Bureau. Now some Forex Bureau and what your money laundering. A bank of 14 years. Every bank that the boy says we are going to investigate.
Money laundering?
Yes. Every bank will say will investigate.
Wow.
What do you mean? Money laundering or no our offshore account. What you say? What is country one or the amount? Wow. And anytime we are obviously yes go. What the man no transfer.
Wow.
Bank of Ghana should change that policy.
Serious.
Bank of Ghana should change that policy. And when a Forest Bureau for the even if you are offshore account, that is what they also do. Now, who small boy, fianga boy. Now, Jesus Christ. Now, we can't back up. We can't now line up. Money laundering, Sakawa complete.
I wanted to say this earlier.
Small boy, Sakawa. Look at him. Aqua wepa.
Now,
wait, small boy.
May you question so or Ghana media?
What do you do? One or what did that man? They do one. We also naked pictures. Me show. But me person chino say me near be a child. Small boy. Opa my family my pictures in my to na now who are next? One man you dare me 24 hours. Dare yourself 24 hours. Let me ask you what. I'll make sure they arrest you because when airport the guy had the audacity to park baby no parking.
What parking is you?
Yes. Or no
airport.
He doesn't obey any law in this country. It won't happen again and they could for once I have seen you, I am telling you, I will tell you 24 hours.
This is the middle of the road, though.
Yes. You see what? I will say, it won't happen again. Me catch your Ibrah. Whoa, stupid boy like you. Mama say, mommy, the idiot. Look at this boy. I no dare me, mommy, 24 hours. Muslim needs to stay here. Wait, boy, wait. I'm telling you, your 419 is finished. All your fake cars, you are going to pay the dues. Now your season swap, that's it. I will not allow them say, your man go to your duty. It won't happen. On to your duty. We are seizing the cars. On your ready. Because minimum fear that. They say minimum dance woman, baby. We are small boy.
Honorable Ken Agyapong, the no moon sema or can 4 years ago, no ebino no or attack Ibrah back. I wrote Shema or say boy near involved in money laundering or sound so a scam. Just say ano call class Bank of Ghana e form na nsi form about say kwan manfo e fa so di gigi ska e wo Ghana hanim sei na abusia eye Kofi TV so ana Ibrah 1 e grantee interview na interview ni mu no ana wabebie kia kese nyasem kitwa o chiremu a wo sei oni Honorable Kennedy Agyapong entokwa no ayomu misunderstanding na omunya ye no na ye obentia yenti story nembra
mame oni Honorable Kennedy Agyapong beef be ne ba montem
I don't know. It's a long story, though.
yeah
I mistakenly touched this woman, and anyone. I mistakenly touched this woman.
na wonni mana
I didn't know. The girl brought herself. I didn't know, and that was the ranting. The reason why he was ranting. Kennedy would never rant unless you touch his woman.
okay
Yes. I won't say his woman because he's not married to the person.
okay
Girlfriend, this thing.
Yeah.
So Kennedy would never rant unless you touch his girlfriend.
oh okay na ubeda hu say we ye ne dia na we nya ne
When
dia
I found out, the girl told me.
and so you went out with her
After she spent the first night with me, that's when she made me know. Say, I think Kennedy tried to call her.
okay
Yes, and then I found out that it's Kennedy. She told me that Kennedy is trying to call her. And I asked her whether she knows Kennedy, and she told me everything.
okay
Kennedy took care of her, got her where she stays, and I think even bought her a car.
oh okay enti hu ya no ye den
He was telling the girl, say, Ibrah small boy way, Ibrah small boy way. That got me pissed off. And I also camped the girl for 1 month. I also managed to camp here for 1 month without him saying it. I said, fine, since I'm a small boy, you are not going to say it. So all those days that he's been ranting, saying, a whole lot of things, the girl is with me.
oh okay
Yeah, but he can't come out and say it's because of a girl he's fighting a small brother or no, he can't come out and say that. He's trying to hide a lot of things. But it's because of a woman. Kennedy will never fight you if not because of a woman.
not just say mutimi crash over a man edu ba bia we timi kofa we dey
We dey na we kofa we dey. And we to me meet so oku.
okay
Sometimes to me meet sky by large you say to me meet. When if only I want you about most of them.
okay
Most of them come
okay.
Sometimes once in a while we meet them.
okay
Especially on Saturdays.
okay and mu shia sa na e bia we hu say girl ya marry sa on so we na mu hu say girl ba kwa mu nyina mo we amoye den
Oh no, when we meet outside there we are cool.
okay.
We don't fight, we are cool. When I met I think after Kennedy's ranting and then we met at Alisa Hotel. I think he even paid for my food or something.
oh wow
Yeah, so we are cool. I think he has now gotten it in his mind that women will always be women. Those that have made their mind that they are going to play games.
Yeah.
They will always play their games. You can never, the person will never settle down with you. That is one. And the person will never be with only you. You just you alone. It's not going to be possible. So when the person is with you, she's yours. When she's out, she's another's. So
yes is careful especially young ones mo pema na man mom na pema
obi ani on pemba.
okay
Everybody likes woman.
okay
Unless the person is dealing with something
okay
inside.
okay
But so far as you've eaten, you're okay, you have a car, you have a room, you have everything, you're okay, definitely you need a woman.
like rate ya be say ma 100 we fa mu be say
Ebusia Honorable Kennedy Agyapong asem ana Ibrah 1 ka ne saa no se sia de onyam be responde ya Honorable Ken emeka bibia about asem we ya trendy se sia ye ho but in case say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ka asem bia fa ho a me de beba be somo for now the way ana trendy eno ana me de abesom we aha let's talk GH rumors. So stress and then the first time I will pop into this video, obe like or subscribe mami. Said the way me uploading new video bia on sa ebetimi aka. Mo adani den nyina mo subscribe mo like na mo share so. De me kan say nyame onhira mo. Me din e de nana Ekuasantewa makramo.